Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your order confirmation on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, the reason why I'm saying this instead of how to confirm your order is because order confirmation happens automatically for every order placed. So you really don't have to do anything of the sort, and all you have to do is edit the notification email. Now, if you go into settings, you could possibly go into checkout, and you can enable some or disable some options for checkout. Whenever somebody does this, you could go into customer events and possibly edit something here, but pretty much all you need to do is go ahead and go into notifications, and then you have customer notifications right over here and order confirmation, as you can see here. As you'll see, the description is sent when a customer places an order, so it's automatically confirmed, and what you're gonna see is something along the lines of this. Now, you can send a test if you wanted to, but as you can see, this is what it looks like, and I like how it looks, so I'm not going to change anything. But if you wanted to change something, you could click edit code right here at the top right, and as you can see, you need to review and verify your sender email, which I didn't do, and you can use liquid variables to customize your templates as well, and you can customize the look and feel of all templates from the customize email templates page. But yeah, well, once you are here, as you can see, you have the liquid text or liquid code right over here, and you can edit whichever piece of the code you want. You just have to look for it and know what you're looking for, and then you can very easily just customize it, and it will look different for each order after you edit this out. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.